What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build and fly my new random project. So let's talk about it a bit. So it's the F-22 Raptor. I made it from 3mm depron. I used parts from some random two-motor airplane from China. Bought it for $15. Yeah, it works pretty much fine. I had a little bit of CG issues. I had the battery too much towards the back of the plane. Now I have it more further, and I tilted up the elevons, so yeah, it should work just fine. I'm going to control it by this funny transmitter. It has like super small range at about 30 to 50 meters, no more. Okay, enough of talking. Let's show you how I build it.
I started off by disassembling cheap drone that I got from my parents as a Christmas gift, I think 5 years ago. My original plan was to use just 2 out of these 4 quad motors. It seemed to me like a good idea. First, the plane would be stabilized, and second, I didn't have to use 2 independent ESCs or receiver. Instead, it was just 25 by 25mm light board with everything I needed. And the plane could be flown using differential thrust only. Oh yeah. After a few more tests outside, I realized that this airliner was way too heavy and the motors were, well, just weak, or maybe the drone props were too inefficient due to their original purpose, and that is hovering, not pulling a plane. So I decided to buy the cheapest toy plane on AliExpress and turn it from Piper to some more interesting form, in this case F-22 Raptor.
So we are back at the field, and yeah, pretty much ready to fly it. It's nice and calm, just a tiny wind, a big field. Yeah, let's try it.
So this is how my little project got to end. If you liked this video, please leave thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, just hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next